Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Credit Karma application. If you are done using Credit Karma on your mobile device and you'd like to get rid of the application, then the process is super easy. First of all, go ahead and find the Credit Karma app icon from your app drawer. Now press and hold the app for a few seconds. Tap on Uninstall from the pop-up. In the pop-up, tap OK and wait for the app to be deleted. Soon after you wait for a second, you will be able to delete Credit Karma app from your mobile device. So that's super easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.